In this video, you will be shown how to create soil types. Soil types are not created through a system element, but are saved as part of the dataset. Click on System in the menu bar and choose Soil Types to access the overview of existing soil types that have previously been created. Before creating soil types, you must first create soil textures, which can be assigned to the newly created soil type. In the Soil Type window, you can either edit existing soil types or create a new one. Click on the Create a New Soil Type button and assign a name to the new soil type. The soil type can then be composed by choosing the desired soil horizons that make up the soil type and assigning a depth in meters to each horizon. You can choose a combination of up to 6 soil horizons per soil type. You can also change the sequence of the chosen soil horizons by selecting a soil horizon and using the green arrow buttons to move it up or down. The total depth of all soil horizons as well as a visualization of the composed soil type can be viewed on the right. The minimum total depth of the soil type should be 50 centimeters. Click OK to save your new soil type, which will be listed in the overview of soil types. Created soil types can then be assigned to the HRUs of your model.